is to give tribute to female principals who have demonstrated that leadership is not just merely a position, but a calling. Your dedication, ladies, and unwavering commitment to education have yielded remarkable results. Hence, you were able to pass the target that was set, which was 95%, and you raised it to 95.8%. I've learned, Dr. Gramini, through the district director, that after our results, I mean the NSC results, KwaZulu-Natal results were called in, the Director General, the DG, yes, called her and told her that he is now raising our target to 97%. So those of you principals who are sitting here thinking that you made it simply because you did achieve and surpassed the 95%, you must know this is no longer the 95%, now it's 97%.
97%.
Yes. And these learners that did well, they did well simply because of the committed educators that were behind them. But behind those educators, there is capable and passionate leaders. And those leaders are you, ladies who are seated here, and we are celebrating today. Today we celebrate you and we thank you. May your journey continue to inspire others, especially young women who look up to you as your role models and pioneers. As we proceed with the program, program directors, may this gathering be filled with pride, inspiration, and a renewed commitment to excellence in education. I welcome you once again and enjoy this well-deserved recognition. I thank you.